Good day guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'll be talking about and showing you how to fix this version of Vanguard requires UEFI secure boot to be enabled. So I'm not really sure why people even have this feature disabled. It should be turned on by default in your motherboard's BIOS. For some reason people are reporting this error. I have no idea why. So I don't know if you're one of them. Let me actually show you how to fix this. So guys, you just go ahead and restart your PC now and then just follow me. All right, I'm now restarting my computer. Let us give this a second. I should be getting into my BIOS very quickly. So when you're restarting, just quickly press on either delete or F2 on your keyboard. I'm already doing it now. All right, should be getting into the BIOS. All right, and in here, guys, it's actually pretty simple. You just go ahead and go into your settings right over here. You go to settings, then you go to security, and there's your secure boot right here. As you can see, in my case, it's enabled, right? As you can see, secure boot enabled. So make sure to enable it, and after that, you will not have this issue anymore. So it should be available and enabled by default, but I guess for some people it's not. So enjoy, guys. This is how you fix this. If you like this video and if it was helpful, don't forget to help us out as well by pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel.